Hi guys, welcome to my channel. We're all new here, so I hope you'll like it. Today I'm going to do a little makeup tutorial thing. I'm going to focus on the Jeffree Star Alien Palette because it is being discontinued and that really sucks, but I managed to get my hands on one of the very last in my country, so I'm a bit late to the party, I know. But yeah, I just want to try some stuff out and I hope you'll like it. Here it is. I've already used it, but of course, how can you not? I still am really getting some weird vibes from like the packaging, but that's why it's Alien, you know. Aliens aren't normal. Oh my god, I always love opening it. Today I'm gonna dive into a few of these shades and I'm gonna create a little look. I don't know what's gonna come out of it, I'm just gonna see where the look takes me. But first I'm gonna put some moisturizer on my face. So I'm gonna do that real quick and I hope it'll moisturize my skin nice and smoothly. For this I am using the Super Drugstore Simply Pure Hydrating Serum, the day kind. I also have the night version. I really like it and it's one of the only moisturizers that doesn't fuck with my skin. So this is the bottle. First off, now that my skin is all moisturized, I am gonna start off with, this is how I do it. I don't know why, I always start with the eyes. I always do them like at the same time, never separately, because I'm scared that if I focus in one eye it cannot be the same on the other, so that's how I do it. But first I'm gonna prime my eyes with this Essence Camouflage concealer in the colour 20 Light Ivory, and I'm just gonna put that on real quick. And sorry guys, but I've already done my eyebrows today. But here it is, I used the Kat Von D Super Brow Pomade in the colour Aubergine. Sorry Jeffree, sorry Kat. I've used it quite a lot of times, as you can tell. It's exactly the same colour, crazy right? But that's why I love it, and it stays on. It's just really good product. I believe in love and no hate, so sorry, but I'm just gonna use both products of Jeffree and Kat, or now KVD Vegan Beauty, if I pronounced it correctly. Yeah, so now that my eyes are primed, I am gonna start off with some eyeshadow. I'm gonna use my Eco Chills brush, love it. I got it for my birthday a year ago, I think. And they're just super nice brushes. I'm gonna start off with Titan here, this little one, just to set the concealer in. Well, my eyes look very yellow. We'll get that fixed, don't worry. My face will turn yellow too. So then I'm gonna dive into, yeah, that's one thing I don't like. It's very like powdery. You see a lot of fallout, like. Yeah, but a lot of people hate it, a lot of people are okay with it. I don't hate it, it's just annoying, but it doesn't make me not want to buy a product because fallout is inevitable, I think. It's powder. So now I will dig into X-Files. I'm gonna go in a bit darker. This cute little alien right here, this one. I'm gonna, oh sorry, thought I saw something out of my window, which is impossible because I live in like a patio. Okay, I have my eyeshadow in right now. It's quite dark, but your girl is a bit gothy, so I like that. I am going to use my BH Cosmetics brush, number 2. It's very cute. very, very fluffy. It's from the Smoky Eye kit. So I'm just gonna use that to blend it out and like scruff it up a little bit because your boy's a bit harsh. So let's like blend it out. Alright, I've done that part. Now I'm gonna dive in to, I am going for Black Hole. The black one. The black shadow. Here you are, my baby. I'm gonna use again my Eco Tools brush. It's very cute, very like sturdy, very dense brush. I always use that for like the outer corners of my eye. So I'm gonna do just that, and I'm just gonna dip in with the Black Hole. Make it smoky and dark. Alright, now that that's done, as you can see it's quite dark now, just the way I like it. I am gonna dive into my favourite baby, Probe. No, Flying Saucer, because I want that as a base. But first I'm gonna grab the concealer again, and I'm just gonna create this half moon thing as everyone does, you know, because I am original. I am an original fake. No, I'm not. I'm just me. So that is done. Now I'm gonna dive into the Flying Saucer. I love the pigmentation. Look at that. It's green. Love it. Let's dive in. I love the colours. Like, this Alien palette is so gothy. Like, at first I was like, I don't like green. I don't like green colours, but I love these colours. Look how patchy. I put it on like several times. It's still patchy. How? You shouldn't be patchy, Jeffree. That's not why I'm using this applicator, to be patchy. This is supposed to pack things on. Work with me here. I'm gonna keep the inner corners open for other colours. This is a very old Essence brush. I love it. My fixing spray from Urban Decay, the all-nighter one that everyone has, of course. And I'm gonna just spray a little bit on my brush. I am gonna dip into Probe. And we're just gonna make the green pop a little bit more. And now I'm gonna take my little fingers and I'm gonna dip into Interstellar. Look at that pigmentation though. Love it. Alright, now that we've done that, I am gonna dive in to just a little bit of UFO. In UFO, dip into the nice yellow gold and drag it outwards. I've got a lot of fallout on my face right now, so I'm just gonna try to get rid of it. But of course we're just gonna smack on a lot of concealer and foundation, so it doesn't matter much. And again, I'm gonna dip into the Black Hole because it has worn out a little bit. I don't know why. It's not as vibrant as when I put it on. I'm gonna make it a little bit more black because I love black. Righty. I'm gonna use this BH Cosmetics, also from the Smoky collection, this cute, sturdy, fluffy brush. Number 5, as you can see, it's very small, and it's perfect for just the under eyes, so I'm gonna use it for that. Is that how is it looking right now? As you can tell, I always use the shimmery shades. Shimmer. I am gonna dip into Alien. actually. Yeah. The bright green one. Sorry, I'm keeping my brush in front of it. This is the first time using that colour actually. And then I'm gonna dip into UFO again after this. I can feel the glitter hurting my eyes. In order to feel beautiful, we have to feel pain. It's all part of the plan. Alright, UFO. Let's dip into that and just... I want to put the gold in the inner corner. Alright, now you just want to drag your brush from your inner corner into the middle part and stop right there. Make it blend with Alien a little bit. And I'm going to dip into Space Cowboy now. I want to add a little bit of brown of copper in my look. Also because I just really want to use that colour. So now we've got that going on. We're also going to drag it upwards a little bit. I'm going to use the same sturdy brush I used for the black. I'm going to dip it into Space Cowboy. And I'm going to drag it a little bit. Very slow touches, very minor touches. You don't want to change the colour too much. You just want to add a little tiny bit of that colour. Brown. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm dying. Fuck. Glitter in my eye, glitter in my eye. Fuck. Ah. We cannot ruin the makeup, can we? I always hate this when this happens. Okay, I'm back. No, I'm not back. Alright. I'm starting to get teary-eyed. Okay, now I'm really back. Let's dip into Space Cowboy once again. And I'm gonna dip in Gravity, this one. And I'm gonna just blend it a little bit because now we've got some harsh lines. I can tell I've gone a little bit overboard with this eye and not so much on this side. So I'm just gonna even it out a little bit now. If we go all in, we have to go all in. Alright, doing mascara. Alright, mascara's done. Grab my foundation. Right, I'm gonna use the Essence Insta Perfect Liquid Makeup Strong Matte Effect in the colour Cool Porcelain, number 10. Very cute little bottle. It does what it needs to do. I am gonna use my Julia, one of these little bat boys. Okay, it's shook. Now I am going to set it with setting powder, and I'm going to use my favourite brand, Beauty Bakery, and I'm going to use the flower. I love it. So it doesn't really have a name, it's just the flower translucent. It's the old one. This very cute icy brush. I just love it, it's so cute. So I'm just gonna dip in. Don't have much, but you can't see it. I'm just gonna like... I don't really bake that much. I just pack it on. I love this brand. And they recently started selling it in my country, so I'm very happy about that because I always had to find like weird passageways to get my hands on them, or secondhand, and I don't really like secondhand makeup because, well, you put it on your face, you know? You don't want other one's DNA on it. But I'm very happy that they started selling it in my country, so now I can just buy whatever I want. New. Moving on, I am gonna grab the blue palette again because for some reason the colour Celebrity Skin, this one right here, is perfect for contouring my face, so I always use that one. I don't know why. I just like it. Oh boy. Yeah, I'm just gonna remove the setting spray as well. Alrighty, now that we are all set and done. I'm going to use my highlighter brush for this fat one. Fluffy. And dip it into the cullinan again to get that nice sharp edge. Oh wait, I've got a little... Oh dear, we don't want that, do we? And otherwise, with all this corona everywhere, I'm not going to leave my room. So, yes, sorry, but I'm going to use it again. Sorry, Kat. Sorry, Jeffree. You're just gonna have to bear with the fact I use both of your products. I don't care about your feud. Alright, I'm gonna go for green because obviously I'm gonna go for the emerald shade. Look at that. Oh. So I'm just gonna put it with my finger. I always just use like a little bit on the sides of my nose. Now we've got that all set, I'm gonna go in with a blush. Where is my blush? My blush is a pink shade. It's from Essence, by the way, from an old collection, I think years ago. And it's from the collection Me and My Umbrella, and I just love it. Very subtle, and that's why I like it, because I don't like something tipped over. We don't care. So with lipsticks, again, my Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick in the shade Hawkwind. It's a very warm brown. Fuck. I am going to dive into my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. Oh my god, I dropped the bottle. Alright, so that is it guys. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys find it useful or get inspired or anything. And if you liked it, please leave a comment down below or subscribe to my channel, which I would really love if you do. And I hopefully will upload a new video soon. Bye!